the reason we put up the water station is one of concern kasi as a parent is lalo na if your son or child has autism.
We found out that PJ has autism at the age of 2. He has delayed walking, delayed talking, and has a poor socialization.
It came as a shock between me and my wife kasi we never expected or we don't know yung case na yon, and we still are not prepared for that kind of responsibility during that time.
Hi, my name is PJ. This is Aqua Miguel. I am A-OK.
You know why? We have been supporting this business because we know that this business started from the very heart of Ma'am Julia, supporting her son to have a better future. We only get special delivery from a special person. And with that, we encourage all the parents out there to be supportive also of this business because we know na we benefit, or the one that's benefiting from this business is a special child. And he needs to have a better future. So we know that as we support this business, we are giving him a secure, a better future ahead of him.
We support Aqua Miguel because we believe that they are an inspiration to all of people. They are an inspiration to all of us because despite of their incapabilities or despite of their situation, they still manage and they still have the courage to run a business such as Aqua Miguel Mineral Water.
PJ's A-OK. PJ and transferred here with his case with autism. So at first, as his advisor, it's hard to handle his case because it's my first time to encounter that kind of case. But because of information in the internet, guidance of our principal, his parents, I'm able to handle his case.
PJ is A-OK.
So I am a happy customer of Aqua Miguel because they have this quality of water. Talagang gustong-gusto namin siya dito. And of course, their services that they are offering is really great. And we are sure that the water that they are delivering here is really safe and
Tatlong buwan na kaming tumatangkilik sa tubig ng Aqua Miguel at masasabi kong ito'y napakalinis, napakasarap at namimit niya ang standard. So naniniwala ako na sa darating na panahon pa, mas marami pang parokyano ang susuporta dito.
PJ is A-OK.
Sapat? Okay lang.
And Nia is in support of PJ's water station business. In fact, lahat kami madami na kaming nakukuha sa nilang water and we are in support of this, and it's I believe a very good business for PJ. In fact, it will teach him how to be maalam sa buhay because as I heard that while he is off from school, he tries to help in his business. So it will be very good for his development, and I believe it will be, aside from it will benefit the family, it will be a big benefit for PJ.
PJ is A-OK.
Hello, I'm Teacher Daisy of
creative hands. At kami po ay isa sa mga clients ni PJ sa kanyang Aqua Miguel Water Refilling Station. And this business that was given to him is very effective and inspiring. And we hope that you will be giving an opportunity for other children who are diagnosed with autism to be a contributing member of the society. And napaka-buti po ng inyong layunin para sa kanila at sa kanilang pamilya. Dahil malaking tulong po ito para sa ikatulad nila at mabigyan po sila ng opportunity na maging productive. And thank you po.
Una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po kay Tita Julie dahil binigyan niya po ako ng buong tiwala upang maging videographer ng dokumentaryong ito at marami rin pong salamat dahil ako po ay naging parte ng dokumentaryong ito. Natutunan ko po na ang autism ay hindi po communicable disease na nakakahawa sa ibang tao at nakita ko rin at natutunan ko rin po na kaya nilang gawin ang kayang gawin ng ibang tao. I salute PJ po kasi ginagawa niya ang kaya rin gawin ng ibang tao sa pamamaraan ng kataguyod ng kanilang business na Aqua Miguel Water Station. At sa lahat po ng subscribers ng Aqua Miguel, maraming salamat po dahil equal po ang treatment niyo po sa kanya. At kung may ilalaman po tayong autistic person, wag na natin silang kamuhi at bagkos gawin po natin silang inspirasyon upang gawin po ang kanilang mga tungkulin sa ating buhay.